considering putting a electronic power steering on it, and I don't need that now.
Hey everybody, it's Jason here with Hydrofin, and we've got Eric and Kathy with us from Oklahoma, and we just put the Hydrofin system on their boat, and so this is kind of a first impression. We just came off the water, and so it's great. Yeah, just tell us what do you think of it?
It was actually kind of a revelation. It does a lot of things better than I thought it would. The ride is much smoother. The water's pretty choppy today.
Yeah.
And it cuts through the chop, and that slap you normally get on the bottom of the boat when it's choppy, that's gone. There's a lot of spray the engine always made before. That spray is gone. And when you turn, we might lose a mile an hour as opposed to before the thing would die in the water. And it leans in on the turn, which is also very nice.
Yeah.
And I think one of the nicest things is the steering lightens up dramatically. I've been considering putting a electronic power steering on it. And I don't need that now. I can steer it with 2 fingers at speed, which is amazing.
Yeah.
I think we've probably gained an actual gain of probably 4 miles an hour. Yeah, in the real world, which is plenty. Big thing is that I like to run without full throttle all the time, and at 5,000, it's still going 22 or so with 4 full-grown adults on it on a windy day with chalk.
Yeah.
Can't argue with that at all.
Yeah. Awesome.
And a ton
They
quieter.
did a great job.
Oh, thank you, thank you. Kathy, was there anything else that you
I
thought
just
that you
enjoyed
just-
it. He's
Yeah.
happy, I'm happy. So
Okay.
that's all that matters.
Okay, sweet, awesome. Okay, sounds good. Well, thank you guys so much for your business.
Thank
I
you.
greatly appreciate it. Yeah.